Hello friends, here's another craft video and this is how you are making a nice froggy opening his tongue out here, and this is a jumpy position of frog. Next you are trying to make a circular pattern in a black sheet and you are trying to make same pattern in a white sheet and you are trying to paste it out on top of another so that after foldings you'll get a nice penguin look out here, and this is your penguin. Next in the sequence you are taking pink color paper and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that after foldings you'll get a nice pattern out here. This is how you can open it out, and next one you can have further foldings like this so that after proper foldings and all you'll get a nice shape out here. This is what it will look like, a nice butterfly wings out here, and you can draw several patterns on her wings. You can decorate it using different colors pen, and this is how it will look after decoration. Next in the sequence you are trying to make circular pattern in black and you are having this red sheets there so that you get a nice insect out here. Next in the sequence you are making the zigzag pattern out here so that it looks a nice 3D look of M. This is how you can play and have foldings so that it will make different patterns out here. Next in the sequence you are taking a purple sheet out here, you are trying to fold it out in such a way that it makes a nice zigzag pattern out here, and you can have your fan ready. You can have your decoration piece like that, and having this you can make several designs over there. This eyes looks to it, and this is how you can decorate it. Next in the sequence you are taking another sheet and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that after pasting its one end you'll get a nice pattern over here like this. This is the opening portion of the peacock and this is her feathers. She is enjoying in the season and she is showing her feathers. Next in the sequence you are taking green color paper and yellow color paper you are folding in such a way that you get a nice pattern by pattern out here. Ducky, she is taking all her kids in this summer season and they all are enjoying this season. Next in the sequence you are having several circular patterns of different colors and you are trying to paste it out in such a way that it makes a nice insect out here, colorful insect that too. Next in the sequence you are taking the yellow color paper and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that after folding we are getting a nice thing out here. We are trying to cut it out in such a way that it gives nice circular pattern out here. This is how we can open it out and we can have shapes over there, and this is how we can play. Next in the sequence we are taking a white sheet and this is how different drawings are there in this sheet, and we are trying to fold it out in such a way that after opening you'll get a nice pattern over there, and this is how we can have further foldings. We can have things over there so that it makes a nice box out here and you can have your gift box ready. Next another pattern paper, and this is how we are folding it out so that after foldings you'll get a nice thing out here, and this is how it will look after further foldings. It will makes a nice box out here, and this is how you can have this folding so that it makes a nice diary out here, a gift box or you can say. Next you are having another pattern paper out here. We are trying to fold it out in such a way that after foldings we are getting a nice thing out here, and this is your strip. You are having a bangle thing out here.